Hi everyone, welcome to TS365 Tech. Today we are going to explore some of the most useful date functions and how to format them for your apps. These functions are essential for everything from scheduling to data analysis. Let's start with two of the most basic but powerful functions, today and now. Today function gives us just the current date without any time component. It's perfect for the things like stamping today's date on a record. And now function gives us the current date and time. Use this when you need to capture the exact moment an action occurred. Let's see in action. I will add to label control to my screen. For the first one, I will set it text property to today, and for the second, I will set to now. You can immediately see the difference. So I will add first label. Here I will add today. Now it's written today's date. So I will add second label as well. Here I will add now function. It will give the today's date as well as timestamp. The next is date function. What if we need to create a specific date or do some simple math with the dates? Let's where the date function comes in. The date function takes three numbers as argument, year, month and date. For example, to get December 25, 2025, so we need to write date function like this, date 2025 12/25. Now this is now it's showing December 25, 2025 with this date function. We can also easily calculate future or past dates. Let's say we want to find the date 30 days from now. We can use today function and simply add a number. The formula would be like today simply plus 30. Now this function is showing today's date and the plus 30, we can see that this is a super simple way to handle deadline or reminders. Now the third one is DateAdd and DateDiff. DateAdd function lets you add or subscribe specific units of time like days, month or year. For example, to find the date exactly 2 months from now, the formula would be DateAdd now, comma 2, comma months. See how you can specify the time unit. It's much more flexible. Time different function calculates the difference between two dates. Let's find out how many days are left unit the end of the year. Date different today, comma date 2025 December of 31st, comma. So it's give the result like 143. From this function we can calculate the date difference from today and the given date. Now the fourth date function is like year, month, and day. Sometimes we don't need the whole date, we just need a part of it. That's where these three functions come in. The first one is year. Year function gives us the year as a number. Month gives us the month as a number. 1 for January, 2 for February, and so on. Day function gives us the day of the month as a number. Let me show you. Now the today date is 10th of August 2025. So we will see year first. So this is the basic date function. In this, if you want to see only year, then we will write year function as well. So it will return only year. I will copy paste this for month. So simply we need to change this year to month. It will show only month in this date. Now the third one is day. So simply you need to change this month from day. It will return day only. These are incredibly useful for grouping data or creating dynamic reports based on a specific month or year. Next one is text. Let's talk about making our dates look good. By default, Power Apps uses a standard format, but we often need something different. We use the text function for this. The text function takes a value and a formatting string, for example, to display today's date in a more readable format like Sunday, August 9, 2025. So we need to write text today. So it will return this Sunday, August 10, 2025. If you want to change, currently it's showing date, month, year. If you want, you can change date format as well, like date, month, year. So you will just give TD YYYY. So now it's showing date, month, year. So if you want to show month first, then change it to month, date, year. So it's showing month first and date, then year. And the next format is date. Now it's showing December 31st because month first, then date, then year. You can mix and match these format specifier to get almost any date format you need, from short numeric style to full descriptive ones. This is a crucial step for building a professional looking app. And in this video we cover 5 different date functions. I hope this help you get started with dates in your own Power Apps project, and thank you for watching this video.